Welcome to Salika Mag. In today's tutorial, we will fix this jeans waist. This is 30 size jeans. I want to make it at 26 inches. So let's see how we can do this. So first I take this almost 7-inch elastic, and here I will mark the center. From center to this way 10 inches total, means 5 inches one side and 5 inches the other side. Centimeter is also written. Now just make a small cut and open this only the one layer of fabric. You can see it will be easily open here, and after that we will take a safety pin and this elastic. We will put this elastic inside this hole, and easily it will go inside because from inside this is open. So now we will stitch this side elastic from here. Just make 2-3 stitches here. You can use a zigzag stitch or simple stitch, it's up to you, and obviously with the same color. And after fixing from the one side, I will show you how you can adjust the other side. And guys, if you are first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video is useful for you. And if you are a beginner, you can check in my playlist. I have a complete course for beginners. So see here, I just stitched from one side. Now I will pull from here the other side and try to adjust. If I feel that my elastic is a little bigger, I can adjust more, stretch it, pull it more. And at this point, if you want, you can try your jeans and then adjust again. Now at this point I feel that only ½ inch difference is still there, so for that I just stitch from the side. Let me show you. See, from here just stitch these sides only till your belt, and the other way also, other side also. And in this way, see, now my jeans is perfectly according to my size, like that is 13. This is actually my daughter's jeans. So see here from the side, also you can't judge that this is something you fix it. See, that's how easily it's fixed.